In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a workspace in Smartsheet so you can keep all your projects, sheets, reports and dashboards organized in one place. To get started, log into Smartsheet and head to your home page. Once you're there, look for the Create or Plus button near the top of the screen and click on it. A menu will appear with several options for creating new items. From that menu, select Workspace. Smartsheet will then ask you to enter a name for your workspace. Choose a name that clearly describes your project, team, or department so it's easy to identify later. Once you've entered the name, click Create. Your new workspace will immediately appear in the left-hand navigation panel. Open it and you'll be ready to start adding sheets, reports, dashboards, and folders. This helps keep everything related to a project together instead of scattered across your account. If you're working with a team, you can also share the workspace with other users and manage their permissions, making collaboration much easier and more organized. And that's how you create a workspace in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.